Hello, my name is Andre and I'm going to show you how to use Keywords Everywhere Chrome plugin. So after you install the plugin on your Chrome, you can also install it on Mozilla. You validate it with the API key that you'll receive on your email. Select whatever country you want, currency, specific currency that you want, and next the remaining settings you leave them as they are. So after you got all the keyword recommendations for credit card reviews using Keyword Planner from Google AdWords, you copy those, only those, not the metrics, so only the keywords, and you go to the plugin, click bulk upload keywords, copy paste them in the field, and then click get metrics. After that you can click show 100 entries. As you can see, 100 of 501. Click add all keywords and then export it to Excel. Okay, the first time you are doing the first bulk of keywords, you copy the columns too. The columns meaning keyword, search volume, CPC, competition, search volume, US, and so on. Copy those into your Google spreadsheet and then edit it a bit to make it look nicer. Align and maybe wrap the text. So this is the keyword research using Keywords Everywhere plugin metrics, but the keywords are taken from Google Keyword Planner. Okay, so the next bulk of keywords, you get it from answerthepublic.com. So you go on the website, on the home page, you type in credit card reviews, click get questions, and you wait like maybe 10 seconds for the report to be created. You can save it as image or download it as CSV, but I recommend to download it as CSV. So click download CSV, open the file, and then you'll get lots of questions and suggestions that people are asking on the internet. So column C, suggestions, copy those. So only the column C, copy those, go to the plugin, press reset to reset all, or you can refresh the page, copy paste all the keywords, get metrics, export it as Excel, so 265 entries, export it to Excel, then copy only the keywords and the metrics without the columns, the column headers. Okay, and copy paste them near or below the main bulk. Now align it a bit. Now you can try to sort it by highest to lowest search volume. Go to filter, Z2A. As you can see, there's a space between the decimals, so you have to remove that. You can remove that very easily by selecting the column B, press Ctrl 5F, B, Ctrl 5F, and then more options. On the find field, press just space, and on the replace with field, just leave it blank. Then click replace all, and it replaced 208 instances. Now sort from Z to A. So you see now it is sorted from highest to lowest. So this is the way to do keyword research using Keywords Everywhere Chrome plugin and Keyword Planner and answerthepublic.com. Thank you very much.